WOLF stock analysis. Thursday is the buy or not. Watch this from the video till the end to find out. Especially looking at Wolfspeed, meaning the $2.02 level. It's in this little correction phase. When you really look at it, it's not little. It's 20% down, which is a lot. But looking at it, this is how my chart's looking like. And I've been the guy that was selling this well ever since this was like a 10 bucks. And you might think I'm lying to you, but this was actually the case. Here is the proof. And this was 10 bucks December, like last year, before 2025. Like such a decent pull. And unless I see the price actually pumping up, man, and giving me that sort of shift, that I'm not really willing to sell. I really doubt that exactly I'm going to have this amount of freaking volume give me exactly that. But I guess so be it. Like, best thing that I'll do. We pop up here and trying to force trades, and you can see I have like almost 40 results in the Discord server in my analysis section. So really there's no point for me just trying to force to do anything here. Yeah, Wolfspeed related, man. I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. Like randomly selling will still not be the case. Definitely a bearish bias, but confirmation or anything else hasn't happened yet. You know what I mean? So if you want my exact plan, all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. Picks, Discord, absolutely risk-free, 1,200 people already enrolled.